Melissa Barrington and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, hopefully you got to take advantage of this absolutely gorgeous weekend that we had. Maybe some of you even got in some pool time, because this might have been actually one of the last weekends to have done that. Right now, as we take a look outside on our Duncan oil camera, you can see mainly clear skies. There are some clouds around depending on your exact location, but overall today we've seen a few scattered clouds, plenty of sunshine, and nice warm temperatures. Things are going to start to change, and it's going to be kind of a crazy week coming up. Tonight we do have thickening clouds, and we do have chances for showers and storms late tonight, so you might get woken up by a rumble or two of thunder. Monday there's a chance for scattered showers and storms. It's not going to be a complete washout, but there's going to be that chance. It will be very warm and humid on Monday, and then we're going to watch temperatures climb through Wednesday and then turn sharply colder Thursday and Friday. So it's going to be kind of a crazy week here weather-wise. This evening, though, temperatures dropping into the low 70s by 11 p.m. And then for tomorrow, we'll see temperatures rising to around 80 degrees. Chances for showers and storms, especially during the early morning hours, and that may affect your early morning commute. Right now, though, outside, gorgeous evening out there. 77 in Bellefontaine, 81 in Troy, 80 degrees in Oxford, as well as in Wilmington. Downtown Dayton, a little bit breezy. We do have some clouds in the vicinity, 81 degrees. The wind's out of the southwest at 15 miles an hour, and the barometer is at 30.01 inches. Here's what I'm talking about. Temperatures climb to around 90 degrees on Wednesday. Then we take a nosedive here Thursday into Friday. Temperatures will only be in the upper to middle 60s. Normal high this time of the year is 78 degrees. So we are going to see big swings on either side of that from Wednesday all the way through Friday. Satellite and radar together here showing that we are pretty much quiet across the Miami Valley right now. There is a cold front here that is currently across parts of Iowa. It's going to track very slowly towards the east, and as it does so, it's actually going to weaken some. But there's going to be showers and storms that develop across portions of southeastern Iowa and also across portions of western Illinois. Tonight, there's a threat for severe weather in that region. However, as it continues to work its way eastward, this organized area of storms, it's going to weaken by the time it gets to us. Doesn't mean that we won't hear rumbles of thunder, but the severe portion of the storm system should quiet down as we get into the late overnight hours. We also have Fiona going on in the tropics here. It is now a hurricane, and it is forecast here to strengthen. It's actually increased in strength for the forecast now. Forecast to go to a Category 3 hurricane. It's going to be moving over parts of the Dominican Republic, and it did make landfall in portions of Puerto Rico. Right now, winds packing a punch at 85 miles an hour, moving northwest at 9 miles an hour. Tonight, we're expecting showers and storms to develop late tonight as those clouds thicken up. Tomorrow, though, we'll see a mixture of clouds and sun. It'll be warm and humid throughout the day, and there will be a chance for shower and thunderstorm activity. So your forecast here for tonight: thickening clouds, showers and storms late, down to 66. Tomorrow, scattered showers and storms, not a complete washout, high of 81. In your extended Storm Team 2 forecast here, hot and humid Tuesday and Wednesday, sharply colder Thursday and Friday with highs only in the 60s. And